guys, I need your help. Something, seriously, oh my god, I've actually got tears in my eyes. So anyway, I have got something that is really, really annoying me. The pump shotgun. It has gotten me on edge. I can't explain anymore how much this is affecting me. It's just so bad. It needs to be vaulted or something, because if it doesn't, I swear to God, I will go insane. Cause what the is Epic Games doing? Just what is it doing? Get a life, Epic Games. What is it doing? But anyway, I'm going to be showing you how bad the pump shotgun really is. I'm going to show you some of my personal experiences of it. There was a few good things, but mainly a lot of bad things. Now, let's get into it. Guys, this is extremely laggy. You probably can't even watch this right now. Help me, guys. Oh no, I thought it was actually going to be saved. Motherfucker. Sorry folks, we're experiencing some technical difficulties. Okay, apparently I don't have my game clips from my personal experiences, so let's watch someone else's shitty experiences from the pump shotgun. Work! So, we are on Broken Shotguns. This game's trash. Okay, it's not trash, it's the gun's trash. Anyway, the point is, let's watch. Now, as you will finally see, the guy does 48 damage from a pump shotgun. It's only green, but if it was grey, fair enough. If it was from the head. Let's watch. Yep, gathering some materials. If this is laggy, I really apologise. Oh. 48 damage. What is going on? Oh, I think it works better when I'm not in full screen. That's what I learned from my last video. Yeah.
Look at this dude.
Watch him get. Does he not get killed?
What?
That doesn't even make sense, man. That doesn't even make sense. What the f-
How did
What?
I do so little with my shotgun? I don't understand.
Watch him dancing. Oh, 1 HP.
Oh my god. I was following his head. I was like, alright.
Close.
Make sure I hit him in the head. Make sure I hit him in the head.
It was close, but no cigar. I'm so bad at editing. I didn't even pause the video. For God's sake, you know what it is. So guys, I know this video is very short, but you know, I'm very sorry. Drop a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye.
Your trash, kid.